Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Devansh, and in this video we'll be basically we'll be learning how we can code the post order traversal of a basically tree data structure. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, and also do watch my previous video regarding traversal techniques of tree data structure, where I shared with you how the basically where I shared with you the logic, and we also learned how basically the post order traversal works. Okay, so if you have not watched that particular video, it's very important to watch that. Okay, so yeah, if you have watched that video, then you can continue with this. So today we'll be basically coding post order traversal. Okay, how in Java programming language. So the basic algorithm how the post order traversal basically works is like it follows the approach of left, right, and the node. Okay, all this I have covered. What this means is like for in the post order traversal, first we visit the left side of the particular node, and then the right side, and then after that we visit the node itself. Right. So this is nothing but this is a known as post order traversal. Okay, post order traversal. Okay, so yeah, again I'm repeating, like if you have not watched my earlier videos, then it's very important to watch that because you won't be getting anything. You won't be understanding anything. Okay, if you have not watched that, it's a prerequisite for this video. Yeah, so cool. So what does this left mean? Suppose what we are doing, we are basically writing a method in we'll be using Java programming language, of course. We'll be getting a root of type node as an input, and we have to basically traverse that entire tree. Okay, in post order traversal. So first, what we do is we visit the left side of that particular node, and then the right side of that node, and then the node itself. Visiting the node itself basically means printing the data of that particular node. Okay, so yeah, let's write the method for that. Okay, so yeah, it's your wish. You can keep it public or private. Public static. Okay, and after that, think, will that particular method be returning any value? No. Okay, it won't return any value. So I have increased that font size so that it's visible clearly. Yeah, so public static, and it won't be returning any value, so we will be using void, and then let's name this as post order. Okay, and what do we need for basically writing the post order method? Okay, for performing the post order traversal on tree, of course we need a root. Okay, root node. So what type it is? It is of type node and a root. Okay, yeah. So what would be the first case? First case would be like the root which we are getting is null. Okay, so we have to handle that case. If my root is like becomes null, then in that case what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply like return, right? Of course we are going to. Okay, yeah. Now what we need to do is we need to apply this algorithm. Visit the left side. Okay, how will you visit the left side of this particular node? By simply calling root dot left, right? Okay, by simply calling root dot left. So we'll call this post order method post order on root dot left. Okay, and after that again, what's next after visiting the, suppose we have, don't focus on the entire tree. Okay, just focus on a particular node. Okay, we are just focusing on this root node. So as according to the algorithm, we need to visit the left side of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply say post order, and I'm saying root dot left. Okay, and then after that we need to visit the right side of this. So I'm again saying post order, and then I'm saying root dot right. Okay, and after that what we need to do, we need to basically visit the node. Visiting the node itself means printing the data of that particular node. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll simply print the data of that node. System.out print ln, and we'll print the data as root dot data. Okay, cool. That's it. That's it for the post order traversal. Okay, just a quick revision. I'm just summarizing what I have what I have did. So in post-order traversal, we know the algorithm is like first we visit the left side of that particular node and then the right side, and after that we visit the null. Okay, sorry, we visit the node itself. So what I did is I am getting a root as an input. Okay, as a you can say parameter. So I'm basically checking if my root is null. If my root becomes null, then I'm simply returning it. So after that, I'm calling the root dot left, and after that, I'm visiting the right side, and after that, I'm simply printing the data. I'm just following this algorithm, okay, in post order traversal. Cool, that's it. And if you want to basically understand it, understand how this recursion is basically working, then you can. The best way to do it is by simply you can like grab a pen and paper and you can like start executing it. Okay, create some tree and perform this particular try to perform this particular code on that tree. Okay, try to execute that particular code. Okay, so just make just trying to explain you like for the first time, if when we get the root, the root, if the root is not null, then what will happen, it will call for root dot left, and this will keep on executing until our root becomes null. Okay, so when it has basically come to the end of the left side of that particular root dot left, at the end it of course it becomes null, then it will start visiting the right side of that, and after that if the and after when the right side itself becomes null, then it will simply call this. Okay, so yeah, just we need to take the recursive leap of faith on this. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much for this. And yeah, if you're new to my channel and if you like this video, please do consider subscribing my channel and do hit a like button for this. So let's meet in another video. Thank you.